A new type of WhatsApp scam is on the rise. Image hiding, malicious code using steganography. Here is what you need to do to stay safe. Steganography is the technique of hiding code or messages inside images, videos, or audio files. In this case, malicious scripts are hidden in seemingly harmless WhatsApp images. These images may bypass basic security filters, trigger malware downloads, or data theft, help hackers gain remote access to your phone or files. So, in order to stay safe, don't open suspicious images. Avoid downloading or opening images from unknown numbers or untrusted links. Be wary of messages like look at this amazing photo or this is you. And also update WhatsApp regularly. But if you think that you are already suspicious of stenography, then all you have to do is delete the images immediately, scan your phone with a mobile antivirus, then backup your data, then factory reset if needed, and change passwords for key accounts, Google, WhatsApp, banking. Even a harmless looking photo could be a trap, so that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.